Hey everyone! Ready to turn your ideas into stunning videos in minutes? Let's dive into Kling AI 2.0, developed by Kuaishu. Kling AI 2.0 is a game-changing AI video generator. It turns text or images into high-quality 720p videos up to 2 minutes long. Whether you're creating short films, ads, or educational content, Kling 2.0 makes it possible. Its multi-elements editor lets you easily add or remove objects in scenes. Plus, its realistic motion simulation makes videos look incredibly lifelike. The free plan offers 166 credits, while premium plans start at $10, unlocking unlimited stitching and HD quality. Over 22 million users call Kling AI 2.0 the world's most powerful AI video tool. So, what are you waiting for? Visit klingai.com and bring your creative ideas to life. Subscribe for more.